Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we will be picking few cards from different decks. So this is for your moon energies and this is for your love guidance. So let's see what is this card. Before that, guys, I have a pick a card love reading for y'all. So that reading will follow this general guidance. So if you are interested, you can watch that, Capricorn. So let's see what is this card first. It says Treasure Island. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your life, in your relationship or in your work, this is a very auspicious card, guys. This just means that your dreams and fantasies are coming true, and whatever intentions you have, positive intentions, laws of attraction are working. So maybe you are planning to achieve certain things in your life, in your professional life, or maybe in your relationship you are dreaming about a beautiful relationship. Whatever it is, you are reaching that, guys. You have worked hard and today you are seeing your dreams coming into reality. Maybe you may see few opportunities, you may identify few lucrative opportunities. Some may not, some opportunities may not come right away to you. You may not spot it, but you need to trust your intuition. Trust your intuition and go for those choices. And you should not forget to share your happiness and success with the people who are there in your life today, guys. So the same way for your relationship also, guys. Capricorn, no matter what you see in each other, today you are finding out something much better in this person. So beautiful qualities they have, and you are simply falling in love with this person more and more, day by day. And romance blooms and love is in the air, guys. And maybe this person is bringing you gifts and they are proposing to you. So some good changes, positive changes are what I see for you all, guys, in your relationship. Same way in your work circumstances also. You are seeing new offers, opportunities coming your way, maybe some creative projects, something that takes you towards greater success and opportunity. And this card is a very auspicious card, guys, in a reading. It just means that good luck and timing is working in your favor, Capricorn. So for your moon energies, bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. So this card just points out to the progress, some kind of move forward. So there is no more looking back. Things are happening so fast, so quickly. But sometimes you should not entirely depend on people to make efforts for you, for your benefit. You must have those, you must trust yourself and work independently, maybe on certain things. So that is going to help you a long way, guys. And you must think out of the box. If you are seeing some difficulty, Capricorn, you must think of your circumstances from a different perspective, and that will give you clarity. And if you are really kind and compassionate, showing your kindness to people, maybe less, uh, people who have less, maybe people who are poor, maybe who are in need, maybe some financial help, or maybe some emotional support, whatever way you can help them. It is going to help you in return, guys. It is going to improve your karma, Capricorn. So, for your love energy, kindness, such an apt card for you all, guys, just when we were speaking of kindness. So, this just means that being kind, being really gentle, is going to, what to say, show our true concern on that other person. So, when you live in that space of kindness, when you treat everyone with that utmost respect, you tend to put their needs before before your own. So, whatever you want to do, you don't do that. You first do what this other person wants to do. So, when you are a kind and compassionate person, people simply love to be with you because they feel really encouraged and accepted. And kindness is the genuine compassion, guys, and it can never be false, it can never be forced, because that is the center of your being. And kindness never expects anything in return. And when you are being really kind to others, it has a ripple effect on everyone who comes in contact with it. And you must also be kind to yourself first. So, when you're kind to yourself, you are going to love yourself. That way, you will love everyone who are there with you, Capricorn. So, that is the energy, guys, with these cards, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your pick a card love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation, you are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart, and there is no one who knows that extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through, that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. And you have never told anyone about this work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientist or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion. And though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of an vital information from you, and that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys, but very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.